The countdown has begun for India Energy Week 2025, a premier platform for dialogue and collaboration in the energy sector, which is all set to commence from 11th of February. As the nation pushes forward on its path to energy security and sustainability, this event brings together global leaders, policy makers, and industry pioneers to shape the future of energy consumption and transition to renewable sources. And it's no surprise that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been a key voice at this global stage. Now, his presence at India Energy Week has been a defining moment, setting the tone for India's energy vision. Last year in Goa, the Prime Minister's address at the inaugural session of India Energy Week 2024 relayed a vision that continues to drive our energy transition even today. Let's listen in.
भारत अभी से तैयारी कर रहा है। बढ़ती हुई एनर्जी डिमांड के बीच भारत देश के हर कोने में एफोर्डेबल एनर्जी को भी इंश्योर कर रहा है। आज भारत विश्व के मंच पर एनर्जी सेक्टर में इतना आगे बढ़ रहा है। भारत ना सिर्फ अपनी जरूरतों को पूरा कर रहा है, बल्कि विश्व के विकास की दिशा भी तय कर रहा है। हम अपने एनर्जी मिक्स को और बेहतर करने के लिए पर्यावरण के प्रति संवेदनशील एनर्जी सोर्सेज के विकास पर बल दे रहे हैं। साथियों, आज भारत ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन के क्षेत्र में भी तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहा है।
Now, India Energy Week 2025 is just around the corner, and as the country gears up to host this landmark event, all eyes are on India's growing leadership in the global energy transition. From renewables to hydrogen to sustainability, India is making bold moves to redefine its energy future. While the event has been a premier platform for the country to interact with global leaders and policymakers around the energy sector and its sustainable future, this year, marking the third edition of the event, is set to be bigger and more inclusive in every way. Now, at a recently held press conference in Mumbai, the Union Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas, Hardeep Singh Puri, revealed the magnitude of the event, especially as compared to the metrics and the achievements of last year. Here's a glimpse of the insights he shared, presenting a clearer picture of what to expect from the India Energy Week 2025. Take a look.
2024 का जो सेशन था उसमें 17,000 स्क्वायर मीटर इवेंट साइज था और इस बारी 2024 को कंपेयर करते हैं 65% इंक्रीज है। इस बारी 28,000 स्क्वायर मीटर होगा। एग्जिबिटर्स 2024 में 445 थे, विच इंक्लूडेड द मेक इन इंडिया पवेलियंस। इस बार 700 हैं, सो 57% इंक्रीज। 700 एक्सपेक्टेड excluding Make in India pavilions. We expect more than 500 speakers. These are scheduled speakers in sessions, different sessions. Country pavilions पिछली बार 6 थे, Canada, Germany, Netherlands, Russia, UK and USA. इस बार 10 है, 8 already sold, Netherlands, Japan, Germany, Italy, Norway, Russia, US and UK. And with all the humility at my command, I can say that today, when we are going into the third edition, we can say with confidence that it's the second largest platform on energy-related issues worldwide.
All right, time for a quick break. Stay with us. We're going to be right back.